another preamble. Express the given vector in a bearing form. A equals root 3I plus j.
2,060 degrees.
Yes.
So to solve this question, you need two components. You need the magnitude, how long the vector is, and the direction of the vector, which we call the bearing. The formula for the magnitude is square root x squared plus y squared. So the coefficient of I is root 3. Therefore, x is root 3. Y is j. The coefficient of j is 1. Therefore, y is 1. So the formula now becomes root 3 all squared plus 1 squared. The squared cancels the root. So you have square root 3 plus 1 because 1 squared is 1. 3 plus 1 gives you 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, the magnitude of A is 2. Now, let's find the direction of the vector, which is the bearing. Okay, bearing is measured clockwise from the north. North and south pole is represented by J. If J is positive, it will be north. If J is negative, it will be south. West and east is represented by I. So if I is negative, you'll be moving towards the west. If I is positive, you'll be moving towards the right. So the question has positive I and positive J. That means the vector is moving towards the northeast direction. So we need to find theta. We know that the magnitude is 2. The y-axis is 1. And the x value is root 3. So if you are measuring the theta, or if you are measuring the angle from the north, we put theta here. We are going to use SOHCAHTOA. Because in the question, they gave you two values, the x and y. We have the opposite value and the adjacent value. So we are going to use TOA, opposite divided by adjacent. So tan theta is going to be root 3 divided by 1, which will give you root 3. But we need the angle because we are not using calculators. Notice that this triangle that we have is similar to this right angle triangle. You need to memorize this one because it will help you to find the value for the angle. So in the special right angle triangle, we have the hypotenuse to be 2, vertical axis we have 1, and the horizontal we have root 3. So if you find tan 60, this is the 60 degrees angle. Tan 60 is going to be opposite over adjacent. So opposite of tan 60 is root 3. Adjacent to the 60 degrees angle is 1. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. That means that tan theta being equal to root 3 from the Cartesian plane tells us that theta is equal to 60 degrees. So the answer for this question will be 2, which is the magnitude, comma, 0, 60 degrees. We say 0, 60 degrees because bearing should be written in 3 digits. 60 is 2 digits. So if you put 0 in front of 60, you have 3 digits. Okay? Simply means that vector A is 2 units, which is, the magnitude. 2 units clockwise direction, 60 degrees from the north. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. This is KokoChem Education. We have made so many amazing videos and tricks that can help you to solve math questions, either being a quiz or exams, fast and accurate. Until I see you next time, keep practicing. I always say that practice makes permanent. I believe in you, so believe in yourself. You can do it.
Think, learn.